Okay guys, so here is an updated tour of the studio for 2018. And this is how it currently is in here. So, yeah, this is it. If you've seen my last video, you would know that I actually share my studio space with the laundry. So I am very much a small space person. So when you hear me mention I have a small space, this literally from here to here is my studio. The rest of the space in here is actually laundry. And then where I'm actually sitting is kind of communal because it's the only open space. So let's talk up here first. Okay, so this half is family, that half is business. And we have stock here. That's where I store things, and those are originals. And then up top, we have craft fair things, canvases, and those are just empty containers. Okay, so we'll come back down. My You Color It stuff I keep hanging right here for when it's needed for craft fairs. Along my wall, you're going to see lots of art from the kids, and then this is actually a shoe caddy that I keep some post-it notes in and the receipts, necklace Caitlin made me, and then the hex codes for my colors that I use for branding. This part of the wall is seriously just things that I love. Flamingos and my faith, more art from the kids. Up here is markers and crayons, the things I don't use often. Over here is just more of creative juices flowing. This is actually from a video. My husband chose my art supplies. And then here's where the business side of things happens. When my computer is not on my desk, it's either on top of the printer or the shelf. Down here is just notebooks, and these are my coloring books on this end, coloring books that I color in the middle, and then give away things on this end. My extra bullet journal. Back in the back is wires and props. This brown box is what I use for my light box. This is my gigantic sketchbook because it can't be stored where sketchbooks are typically stored. My stickers and post-it notes, blank coloring pages and cardstock. In here we have office stuff on the bottom, mostly water-based markers here, my pro markers that don't fit in the case, canvas, more sketchbooks here. Up here on the top are projects that I'm working on, or projects I'm working on here in the front. My iPad sits in here most of the time, and then more sketchbooks in the back. Art tools there. The bottom down here is just miscellaneous stuff that, honestly, since I'm running out of room, some of this can actually go into the storage in the office. So that's it, guys. That is my studio, my desk and everything. So there we go. When I tell you it's a small space, it is a small space. I actually measured it, and it is 4 feet by 5 feet, the space that I actually use for the studio. So on that note, I will see you next video.